see me naked. I wanna be a baby.
Ready to get cozy and comfy. Welcome back, Spencer fam. It's your girl Fallon, and I'm back again with another video. In today's video, as you've seen by the title, we are doing the Fenty Skin review part 2. Numero dos. Some of you may have joined us for our Fenty Skin review part 1. If you haven't, it's definitely a video that you want to check out, possibly before watching this one, so you can go ahead and click in the I or the description and then meet me back right over here for our updated review. So in part 1, as some of you may know, we went over my skincare regimen prior to Fenty Skin, my skin, you know, what type of skin I have, the pricing, the packaging, and most importantly, my initial thoughts on this product on my skin. So stick with me to the end of this review update on how I felt after using this for about 2 months. Reset gel for about a week. I did record the unboxing of the star of today's show, Instant Reset Overnight Recovery Gel Cream.
Yeah, like I'm living. Live it.
Naked. I wanna be a baby. Standing in his just like he came from Mayday. Right from listed on the brownie. When I get like this, it can't be rubbing. To the down on the notch. Cause I can do some things that I'm gon' do. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. When I'm with you, all I get is wild thoughts. Wow, wow, wow. When I'm with you, all I get is wild thoughts. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. I hope you know about the tagging. You know this cookie's for the bag.
Struggle is real, but I tell you what, reading is fundamental. Alright, so it says insert, peel off foil, twist and close. We're gonna insert. So I got it together eventually. Just showing you this part of it so you can see that it's a pretty clunky piece of plastic and it's not as straightforward to put together, but hopefully you watch this first before you purchase your own so that you know exactly what to do. Here I am just showing you the consistency. I think it's really cool that it does come with a spatula, so when I do use it on my face I use the spatula, but I just wanted to show you the consistency and how that rubs into my hand. So currently I have no makeup on right now. I am completely barefaced other than a good old lip balm and lip gloss. Start off with the Total Cleanser, Remove It All Cleanser. And then I went in with the Fat Water. So as of right now, I just have on these 2 products on my skin. Today I did not put on my Hydra Vizor, which includes an SPF and moisturizer in one, because today we are going to finish off this face with the Overnight Recovery Gel. This is actually supposed to be used for a nighttime routine, and the SPF is supposed to be your daytime moisturizer. Of course, you can use it however you feel like, but this is how the product is branded. After using Fenty Skin, I must say the major difference in my skin would be how bright it is. It has definitely worked on hyperpigmentation, so it's definitely evened out my skin tone. The SPF, when in the sun, I can definitely feel that my skin is protected and not clogged. Packaging, I have traveled, 2020, I didn't do any big traveling, but you know, weekends away and things like that where I just had to throw in my products really quick. No spills, no spills. at all. So I really love that about the packaging. If you're new to the packaging, you know, this is recyclable and refillable. So basically you would just purchase this part, the refillable part. You would just do that. So you can throw that in your bag easily and nothing spills out. I have proven that. So I'm sure you've heard in some of your other reviews about the witch hazel. What in the witch hazel? Why would Riri use witch hazel or any type of fragrance in her skincare line? So these are the two major issues that a lot of people had when it came to skincare. Witch hazel is great for the skin. However, once used repeatedly over time, it may cause irritation. Okay, especially people with sensitive skin. And when I was younger, I had extremely sensitive skin. 2 months ago, I did feel like a little itchy. I don't know how to really explain it, but not where to the point where I'm scratching off my face, but just a little tingly, like a little difference. But over time, I'm not really feeling that tingle sensation. It's either that or either I've gotten used to it. So as far as the fragrance I have absolutely no problem with when it comes to skincare. So I love the scent. I always feel like I'm in a spa, somewhere tropical. It really puts me in that zen mood. It's packed with really great ingredients, which I went over in part 1, so you want to check out that video. And it just makes you feel like, ooh, I got that new. I'm using something really healthy or really clean for the skin. She loves to talk about her brand as being clean, and it does give off that vibe. So A+ on the packaging, A+ on the scent. This is the toner, the fat water, and as you can see, yeah, we have been using it, okay? Let's just quickly go over some of this branding. On the fat water, it says that it will instantly refine the look of pores, reduce the look of dark spots, fight shine without stripping skin. The fat water did everything that it was supposed to do. It's definitely a serum and a toner in one. I really enjoy using the fat water. The more fat water that you apply, the more glisten that you will get. It just depends on what you want to look like. For me, it doesn't absorb to the point where it's just glazed on all day. It's just a really nice shine. I have heard from my makeup artist, without even telling her I was using this, she mentioned the difference on my skin and how, you know, it was an even better base to work on. And she's never had an issue with my skin prior. Yeah, my makeup artist noticed, my mommy noticed. You tell me what it's looking like, no makeup. Which is nothing new to me. I usually don't wear any makeup. Oh, talking about that, let's get into the Total Cleanser. Total Cleanser said it's supposed to be a hyper clean, soft skin without stripping or drying, daily cleanser and makeup remover in one. So daily cleanser and makeup remover in one. It definitely does not strip your skin. I'm usually a light makeup, like I mentioned in video 1, type of girl, but I have had my face beat for a few things. I'm relaunching my company, so we've had a commercial shoot, photo shoot, so I've had a month of makeup on the skin. And when I say that this removed it all, I didn't have to double cleanse, and it goes a long way. A little goes a long way. So the more makeup that you apply, the more of this that you would want to use. On my regular day, I just squeeze just a little bit. It suds up really good. It's a really clean feeling, and I don't feel like my skin is stripped. So yes, to this for sure. The SPF is really neat. I was waiting for SPF. I talk about SPF a lot in video 1, so if you want to know about SPF, go ahead and check that video out. It feels like these will be finishing soon. I probably have another month, just depending. Fenty Skin has now come out with a mini starter collection of the same products I just showed you, which is the full size. When purchasing the full size, they did not have that mini collection. I doubt that it would have changed my mind because I'm just gonna go all in and buy the full size. That might work for some people, and I think that's good that they did offer that option. So as of today on the website, the full size bundle is $75. Value is $88. So if you buy these things separately, you're spending $88 as opposed to the $75 bundle. And it does say limited time, so I'm not sure that that's always available. So you do want to check out FentySkin.com, FentyBeauty.com. But I'm going to continue to use this until it completely runs out. get all my money's worth, okay? So try it out and get your own opinion and see if it works for you or not. Since I am a regular consumer trying out the FENTY SKIN brand, I love the FENTY brand as is, and these are my thoughts. And that's it. That is a wrap for my FENTY skincare line review part 2. I hope that you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed putting on the products for you. I mean, recording it for you. Stick around, stay tuned. More product reviews on the way. We've just made videos on rice water for hair growth, so we're going to see how that's working or if it's not. So go ahead and check out that video too. Click on our playlist. We have all type of videos. We are a lifestyle channel, and we do have an exciting skincare and cosmetics line launch, FABRINI. Check out FABRINI.com below. If you have any questions on the line, either one of these products, go ahead and leave those down below. I'll be more than happy to share my thoughts with you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. The more you like and the more you comment, the more YouTube will share this video with other people who have similar interests as you. Share this video with a friend. Turn on your notification bell so you never miss a weekly episode. And I will see you on the next video. Stay beautiful and blessed. We are going to now review FENTY SKIN Instant Reset Overnight Recovery Gel Cream. And you know I'm going to give you a demo first, so here goes.
Yeah, like trying to live it. Live it.